Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have another video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and deactivate your LinkedIn account. But before that, make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply start our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is first of all go ahead, open your LinkedIn app in your mobile phone. Make sure you're signed in as well with the correct account that you would like to deactivate in your mobile. What you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top left corner. Now go ahead, tap on the settings icons below. Once you do that, it's gonna simply open a menu options for you. You're gonna tap on this account preference on the first option. Once you tap on it, you're gonna find this all of profile information, display general preferences, all of the settings, right? So what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, scroll down till you get this account management, which includes hibernate account and close account. So hibernate basically means deactivating your account for a temporary time period. Go ahead, tap on this option, and now you can say you can go ahead, choose a particular reason why you're doing it. Gonna go ahead, tap on this, I need a break if it's too much for me. And then you can go ahead, enter a feedback for the LinkedIn app itself if you would like to share something. Once you're done, tap on this next option. Once you do that, it's basically gonna show you this kind of information, which includes for your security, enter your password. To make this change, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, enter the password of your LinkedIn app. Once you're done entering it, go ahead, tap on this hibernate account. You're good to go. Your account will be deactivated. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys on our next video.